Earl over here at Cuteness, where today we wanted to do just a quick little video introducing just this little critter. You saw her in one before, but several people said they wanted to just see her. If the roosters don't interrupt. Anyway, this little one is named Velcro. She's not as little as she was a couple weeks ago. She used to sit quite nicely in one hand. Now she takes two. She's almost 15 weeks old now, but we named her Velcro because the first couple days she was here we were trying to come up with a fitting name, and every time you sat down or bent over to work or squatted down, she would end up in your lap, on your back, on your shoulder, and just stuck there. You sure are a busy little kitty. You can probably see why we decided to name her Velcro. She doesn't want to go very far away. She likes to be right in whatever you're doing. Doesn't even matter what it is. Even though she was really little then. You gotta stay where the camera can see you. Yeah. Anyway, she's been growing and having fun. She's sleeping inside the shop. Bye, silly. Inside the shop at night till she protests vociferously about that, but till she gets a little bit bigger. And Bradley's been really great with her. Wasn't sure how he'd do with never having really been around cats in his life and with her being so tiny, but they love to play. This is a Burley and Velcro game, which they seem to love. They do this while I'm busy working. He nuzzles her and does that. And she lets out little yowls and rolls upside down and swats at his nose. I can't see her when you come on that side, goofball. There you go, like that. And neither one wants to stop. And they could both quit, but I've tried to break this up and they just come back to each other to keep it going. So this is clearly a game, and they both think it's fun. I think she's pretty sure she's actually a mountain lion. And invincible. When they get entirely tired of this game, then they tend to go sleep beside each other. And hopefully, as she matures a little bit, she's going to be very, very good rodent patrol around here. She came from a neighboring little farm. She's a specialty bred, nothing in particular, Wyoming farm cat. And we hope that she'll have a long, happy life here as much as possible. She's crawling across lumber piles and hunting off through the woods right now. But anyway, here's some footage of just her being cute. She's growing rapidly. She's raw fed just like Burley, seems to love it, and we haven't seen any mice around anything yet. The chickens all think she's a little bit terrifying. They scatter if she walks close. She seems to totally ignore them. She just, like all cats, is pretty sure she's the queen of the world, and so she acts that way. Assumes everyone and everything else will get out of her way or do as she wants. She's been fun to have, playing around while working on other things. Over here at Fineth, thank you so much for watching these videos and spending some of your very valuable time choosing to do that. We hope you found something that was useful, educational, helpful, maybe save someone else some time and trouble, or just something just plain beautiful. If you don't want to miss any videos, subscribe and hit the bell. And thanks for coming along on our journey as we build a new little homestead with our tiny house and everything to come.